Yeah, okay. Now tell me what is sound of A in cap?
Ah.
Very good. Now, can you please tell me when E comes at the end of the word, what E will
Hmm.
do?
He will do magic at some of this with to a then it will
Mm. Then,
say
mm.
k-
then A will become?
strong.
Yes, when A will become strong, then A will tell the long vowel sound. Then what will happen for E?
He will become silent.
Yes, he will become silent. Now, can you please read this word?
Okay, with this capital letter.
Not capital letter, this long A sound. Okay? Yeah, now try to read what word it is.
K k a p
Mm-hmm.
cape.
Yes, cape. Very good. Super. Once
What
more.
is
What is
cape?
this?
Apple cap.
Cap. So when E comes at the end of the word, what is that?
Key.
Right?
K k apple cape.
Yes. Cape. Cape.
What is
So
that?
cap means, have you seen the Spider-Man, sorry, Superman? Something will be on backside, no?
Yes.
Yeah, that is called cape. Okay? Okay, now read what is this?
K eat k
K
eat
E.
kit
Yes,
kit.
kit. Okay, this one. When E comes at the end,
But which it will do magic on
E will do magic for all the vowels only.
uh, all the vowels.
Yes. No, no, all the vowels. Only for the vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes letter Y. So these six letters, E give the magic power. Okay, now try to read this word.
K
K.
k I
Mm.
e
What is that? K, I. What sound of T?
t
So K, I, T. What is that?
kite.
Yes, kite. Super. Now, try to read this.
Uh, k uh,
What sound of U?
apple k abacab
What sound of B?
b
Okay. K,
k
B.
b
So what is that?
cab
K, and the head bardo. K,
k
K, B.
cub.
Yes. Okay. And
What is
don't
cub?
step. You see, the small baby of the lion.
Ah,
That is
it's
what
too
cub.
cutie.
Yes.
It's too
Okay.
cute.
So when E comes at the end of the word, then what will happen?
It will give magic puff to
U.
this too.
Mm.
You
Then what will
and
happen?
ah, you only.
Then how do you read? He gives a magic power to letter U.
K
So,
you
mm,
k you b cube.
yeah, cube. Don't say b, okay? It's b.
B
Cube. Cube. Very good. Super.
cube.
Okay, now try to read this one.
K and can.
What is sound of n?
Hmm.
But when you're reading, why you're saying k
Hmm.
an?
K and
Okay? K
ah. Hmm.
an. Can. Don't say na, okay?
Hmm.
Okay.
Can.
Yeah. So what sound of e? When e comes at the end of the word, what will happen?
It will give magic power to a.
Then, can you read this word?
Yes.
What is that?
K k a no can.
I told you, don't say na. It's
Hmm.
cane.
K.
Mm.
Why did you do?
Okay, yeah,
K a can.
yes. Now this one.
Apple tap
Okay,
tap.
when e comes at the end,
It will give magic power to a.
then please read that word.
to a p tape.
Yes, tape. Very good. This one?
P I no pin.
Pin. Again,
N.
you're telling na. Don't say na.
Mm. P
See, put in na
I
will become. It's pin.
pin.
Pin. Okay, pin. When e comes at the end,
It will magic power
mm,
to
I.
I.
Then how do you read
To
this word?
I. No pine.
Again, you're saying na.
N.
Mm.
Mm. P
Okay, practice. Okay, this one.
mm. R
Not
B
It's ah.
R A.
B. Rob.
Rab.
What is that?
What is rab?
Rob means robbing something. Culture, they'll come and they can go some items from our house, no?
Hmm.
Okay, when E comes at the end,
It will give magic power to O.
mm,
O.
then read that.
R
Ro-
O
Oh,
O robe.
when you're reading, you're telling like ba. Why? But you're reading it
S
correctly.
B
Okay? B it is, not ba. I want you to clear this one, okay? Robe. Why I'm telling, when you write the spelling, for example, if you're telling ba means ba, when comes together only it will come like ba. So when you write it according to sun, ba means ba will come. Okay.
So I will let be A.
Then you will write ba. Roba you will say, no, then you write ba. So wrong spelling you write. That's why I'm telling b sound is b. Okay.
B
B. Okay, now this one.
C ta cart.
Again, one T sound you're telling
That.
ta, not ta. What is that? T. What sound of
C
T?
c
A.
c c
A.
c
On the ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. A.
cut.
Yes, cut. Amma, please wait. Yeah, cut. Okay, when E comes at the end of the word, what will happen?
Mm, it will give magic power to you.
Mm. So how do you read this word?
Cute.
Again, cute. You're telling.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ
T. No,
ಈ
it's T.
ಶುಲ್ಕ
Okay.
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್
Amar, please join after 1 minute.
ಓಕೆ
Okay. Okay, once more. So cute. Amma, please join after 1 minute. I'll,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, now read this.
Man.
Again, man, na, you're telling, not na.
I
Man.
said man.
I heard it na when you're telling. Okay, this one.
Man.
This one.
It will give magic power to you.
Then.
So,
Mm.
yeah, no, man.
Mean. Okay. Okay, this one.
No, man. No,
Again, you say.
not.
Is it na?
ಬಾ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ
Not. Okay. Okay, very good. Ma'am, I want you to give a practice letter E, N, O, B, and T. These are the letters she's making a small sound changes with the swas sound she's telling. Please give a training for this.
ಓಕೆ
Give a practice. I'll put in the WhatsApp the message. So give a
Okay,
practice
sure.
this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then we'll see you in the next class. Bye.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬಾಯ್
No, I want to play a game.
I'll share you the link, okay?
ಓಕೆ
Bye.
ನೀನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ